Hi YouTube artist, I'm Kelly Hernig and welcome to In the Studio. Today we're going to paint another holiday element of our Artful Advent. Are you ready? Let's go paint. Welcome to the Artful Advent. Today is all about this little Hershey's Kiss. You can add holiday wrappers if you want. I'm going to just do a silvery gray kind of wrapper. I'm going to leave a highlight in this area right here, just kind of in the front. And I'm going to start by mixing a blue and a brown. So I'm going to use manganese, blue, and sepia to make a gray. It's a nice color. I'm deepening this edge over here so the right side is going to be dark, and as you go up, make it really dark up there where it twists. I'm going to pull it around. We want it to look like it's twisting. Rinsing my brush, I'm going to pull up a little bit of that color. You need to have dark so we can add lights to it. I'm going to splash that. Then in the little tag up here, the part that says Hershey's or Kisses, I'm going to add some manganese blue, just right here at the bottom as it goes into the little kiss itself. Going to touch just an outer edge over here. Rinse my brush and let's soften that. Took a little too much off up here. We're going to add some dark lines now. So in your sepia mix, make it a little heavier in your gray mix. So mine is the manganese plus a little sepia. Not a lot of water because we want it kind of thick. You can always take your brush and blot the belly of the brush. So just let the paper towel lay on it for a second and that pulls the moisture off. Okay, now it's twisting, so all of our lines need to kind of twist. See how I'm kind of using the natural curve here that I have in there? Just following those lines. Try not to evenly space them like I was doing there. And I'm going to take that along the bottom as well. And deepen up here. I'm going to take a little bit of that color and just deepen where the kiss wrapper goes into the edge of the foil. I'm going to take my Posca pen now and just add a little bit of broken highlights. So don't do a straight line, do more like a little couple dots. Can break up some of those straight lines. I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to write kisses up here instead of Hershey's. And there we go. There's our Hershey's kiss. Thank you for joining me today and being such a sweet treat. Thanks for watching.